Hello, Springhaven. We're excited to come out and start cleaning your home. There are a few steps that you need to take to prepare your home for our arrival. So sit back and listen. Hello, Springhaven. We're excited to get your home cleaned. Let's go over a couple things to make sure that your home is prepared for squeegee clean. If you have wind chimes like this, please take them down. Remove any wooden things, wreaths on the door, carpets, paintings. If you have little light plants like this that are loose, take things like this, hanging pots, and move them to the edge of your yard. So you can either move them out here or inside your house. If you have something that's too heavy and you can't lift it, we're going to cover this with plastic, but you have things like this moved out. Let's go back here and look at the back. So if you have a gate and your gate is locked, your gate's locked, you can't get in. We don't want to skip your backyard. So please have that unlocked. Let's go around and look at the front. So our spray zone is about 10 feet out. So if your vehicle's parked here, it's in the spray zone. Please have your vehicle moved to the very back of the curb there so that we don't get any liquid on it. Also, after we're done, we clean driveways, sidewalk, front sidewalk. We also do things like gutter whitening. You need gutter whitening for tiger stripes, interior gutters, window cleaning, and roof cleaning. Those are services that you can call into our office, and we can schedule those as soon as all the houses are done. We look forward to cleaning you guys soon and get you all cleaned up. Thank you.